Have you ever wondered what it truly takes to build something the world has never seen? In 0 to 1, author Peter THIEL challenges us to think beyond competition, inspiring the next generation of founders to create the future, not just follow the past. While most companies battle it out in crowded markets, THIEL urges us to aim higher. What if, instead of competing, you could innovate in a way that eliminates competition altogether? THIEL argues that monopolies, contrary to popular belief, are a company's best friend. A monopoly means creating something so valuable that others simply can't replicate it. Think of Google's search engine dominance, unmatched because it offers something uniquely valuable. So, what unique value can you bring to the table? In today's world, growth comes in two ways. Technology, which brings something entirely new, or globalization, which spreads what's already known. THIEL argues that true progress is found in technological breakthroughs, not just scaling what already exists. THIEL believes that every great business is built on a secret. The question isn't just, how can I compete? But rather, what hidden opportunities exist that no one else has seen yet? Think of it as unearthing a treasure only you know exists. This is where true innovation lies. A startup's success lies in its team. THIEL emphasizes gathering people with complementary strengths, each person essential to the vision. How can you surround yourself with individuals who bring out your best? At the heart of any thriving business is a vision. THIEL speaks of the importance of seeing beyond current trends, aiming for a future that others haven't imagined. A strong vision inspires your team, guiding them toward building something truly new. Building a company isn't just about surviving today. It's about thriving in the years ahead. THIEL's approach to startups focuses on setting ambitious, long-term goals. Don't just look at the next step. Keep your eye on the bigger picture. So, what can you take from 0 to 1? First, create something new. Bring a unique value no one else can. Second, build a monopoly. Make your offering irreplaceable. And finally, assemble a team that aligns with your vision. People who drive each other forward. Look at companies like Tesla or SpaceX. They don't just compete, they redefine entire industries by building their own paths.